I think those are red-winged blackbirds we hear. And I must be standing near where they're nesting. This is not a welcome call. That was a robin. Okay, just heard a titmouse. Oh, wow. Oh. I am not welcome in this neighborhood. I'm getting a lot of attention here. So right now, I am on the bike trail north of M21, and I'm walking, and I'm about 2/3 of a mile west of DeWitt Road. I'm getting closer to Airport Road. Oh, that was a robin. Somebody's up in this tree I can't look at in the sun.